All right, Forex market guys, we're back. This one is an important one. We got a big update on the New Zealand dollar. It's breaking down right now. A big support level, 72.44, and this move is actually kind of expected inside a short-term cycle that is setting the tone right now. We've been here about I think it was a couple of days ago. We talked about the long-term perspective. We're bullish on the long-term perspective. We think the New Zealand dollar will come back up, but it's going to be later, not at this point. At this point in time, it's trading sideways in this range. Check this out. We got this 1, 2, and then 3, and then all the way up 4. Now we're getting that fifth move back on the downside again, breaking below 72.45. We saw that coming yesterday, right? Yesterday kind of was the first move to really break, and then today is following up on that. As you can see, we already pulled the trigger, pushed a $4,000 position right now, just to get some skin in the game, so to speak. Hopefully, we can get back tomorrow and push the position much bigger. This is not a big move, right? We're talking about 70 pip roughly, probably even less than that. So it's definitely possible that this move is going to be complete by tomorrow, right? Which is okay. I mean, yeah, that's not going to be a huge disappointment. But if we can get a shot, you know, to increase the position tomorrow, we will definitely do that. So we think price is on the back foot. Again, I want to separate the short-term perspective from the long-term perspective. Long-term perspective are bullish, guys. It has nothing to do with it. We actually have a bullish position on the New Zealand dollar long-term that we keep, you know, we're going to keep for quite some time, right? But here, we're talking about a couple of days move, right? I mean, probably today and, you know, tomorrow. And it could very well be the end of it. I mean, check. Last time price was on the downside, it took just 1 day to reach that area, right? From top to bottom. The first time, it took 3 days, right? Pretty much. I mean, even the first day was already landing at 71.54. But, you know, 2 days later, it even reached a lower point. Then came back up, 3 days it took, right? So every single stroke here is a few days. But again, it could be 1 or 2 days. So we'll see. Anyway, in a couple of days, right, in a few days time, we expect price to, it could also, I mean, it could definitely take the previous lows, go beyond 71.54, you know, drill through, but then turn back up eventually and, you know, head for the stars. Head for the stars. Again, long-term perspective, we think it's going to 75.50. But we also, we can separate between these two cycles, and we can attack each and every one on it, you know, on the right time, in the right time, right? We're gonna start with a stop loss level at 73. All right, should be sufficient enough to keep us safe there, and let's see how quickly we can get to that target, to, you know, towards that previous low around 71.10. All right, so if you're looking for price extension, you would probably want to aim at the previous low in this range, which is again 71.10. Alright guys, that's about that. New Zealand versus the US dollar looking good on the downside, pulling the trigger for a couple of days. We're going to come back to follow up on the situation for sure. In the meantime, I'll say goodbye and we'll see you tomorrow. Take care.